I like giving back to the people watching. So Spike would start giving away loads of these items and much more. So to win these prizes, all you need to do is the following. Thank you for your time. And by the way, I do giveaways on these channels as well, so check them out. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. Today's video I'm going to show you how to save an intro and reuse it in Davinci Resolve. Well, first of all, when you want to get something from your media, you need to get it from here. So for example, let's say this is our intro. You grab it, you take it. That's a good way. If you organize your videos, you can find it easily. Whereas another easier method is saving it into a power bin. Well, you should use your power bin and you can save your intro right here and use it even quicker than the method I showed you. For example, this is an intro. I just put it in here and boom. You can, for example, right here I am in this power bin. I can save whatever I want in it and then delete it, whatever I want. Of course, is quicker than the one I showed you before. Although both are good, but as I said, the power bins are quicker. Hope you guys enjoyed. Check another video on the channel, and if you can, please support.